guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I promised that I would try the Artists Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint with my normal paints. So these, in my bottles I have the Artists Loft Flow acrylics mixed with floetrol and water. And I've heard that these cannot really easily be used together. So we're going to try it. I'm using the blue and white from my normal paints, and then the red and yellow from the Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. So hopefully we don't totally just waste a canvas and paint. We'll find out. So far I've been loving these Ready Mixed Paint for tree rings, but not really for anything else, or for anything that has lines really. They've been awesome, like the Kiss Pour, or yeah, tree rings and whatnot. But for flip cups and stuff, not so much yet. Well, we'll see how these mix together. Okay. That should be good. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. Let's throw a tiny bit more yellow. Okay. We're going to flip cup this. And we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I will decide as I go if I want to torch it or not. I'll see how it looks when we pull this cup off. We'll let it sit for a minute and settle. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Wow. I feel like I was maybe lied to. This stuff seems to work awesome with my regular paints. There's no silicone in here, guys. I want to point that out. No silicone. It looks like there is, but there most certainly is not. So, I don't know. This really was not what I was expecting. I was expecting a hot mess. But this looks pretty awesome. So, this is interesting. Okay. I don't think you can probably see it in the camera, but there is definitely a different density with these paints. So they're like, you can tell that they're not all flowing together. They're kind of flowing in layers as I was tilting it. So that is an interesting point. But this looks friggin' awesome. Oh my goodness. I love it. Let's let it sit here for a while. We'll see what cells and whatnot develop. It looks like there's stuff popping up over here. I'm not going to torch this. I'm going to leave it. And then we'll be back and we'll do our close-up. Okay, we're back. My table is unfortunately not level right now. I can tell. I have moved it around quite a bit recently. But this looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. So this is the bottom right-hand corner. Got some cool lacing in here. We got some cells. So it seems like to get cells with this stuff, maybe using my usual mixture will get the cells. Nice bright yellow. We have some really cool lacing over here, which was cooler before a lot of it ran off due to my on-level table. I will be fixing that very soon. Lower left-hand corner. Nice rainbow. So there you guys go. That was actually a 100% surprise to me. I was expecting something totally yucky, and it came out pretty cool. I will be doing more experiments with this Ready Mixed Paint. So on the next experiment video, I'll show you how this looks dry. I don't have any place to leave it besides here though, so I'm going to try to level the table and hopefully it doesn't just all run off. No guarantees on that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.